In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Bluetooth earbuds not turning on. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you various common solutions to troubleshoot your pair of earbuds. So first, check the battery and charging. So ensure that the earbuds and the charging case are fully charged. You might have to set them aside for some minutes or even upwards of some hours to ensure that the case gets fully charged and that all the power gets transferred to the earbuds. You can check the charging contacts as well. Clean the charging contacts on the earbuds and the charging case with a dry and soft cloth. If there are any impurities, dirt, or debris between the contacts, they will not charge successfully. So always check this if needed on the pins on the actual earbuds and the case. Next, reset your earbuds. So different earbuds are going to have different reset methods. So it's very important that you find a manual for your specific pair of earbuds and you try resetting them. For two common methods, first, hold down the function button for a specific time, usually 10 to 15 seconds. Next, place the earbuds back in the charging case and hold down the case button. This will give them a reset and then you can simply pair them up just like if they were new. Next, check the Bluetooth connection. On your actual device's Bluetooth settings, you will be able to restart your device after deleting the earbuds from the Bluetooth connected devices and turn it back on. Afterwards, you can just repair the earbuds. This is going to work especially if you did reset the earbuds before. So reset the earbuds and reset the Bluetooth connection. If this still doesn't work, check for physical damage. Inspect the earbuds for any visible damage. Try different devices, so test the earbuds with different devices to isolate the issue. Make sure that they are pairing up with the correct device, and if you have any other devices with Bluetooth pairing enabled nearby, they might be connecting to those instead. And if available, update the firmware. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Bluetooth earbuds not turning on. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.